Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wow Apps YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up shipping profiles on Shopify. This is a crucial step to ensure your customers see the right shipping rates and delivery options at checkout. Even if you've never touched shipping settings before, don't worry. I'll make it super simple and clear, and you can follow along step by step. So what exactly is a shipping profile in Shopify? A shipping profile is a setup that tells Shopify how to ship certain products, including the location they ship from, the regions or countries they're sent to, and the shipping cost involved. Every Shopify store starts with one default shipping profile called the General Profile, where all products are placed by default. If you need different shipping rules for certain items, like heavy or fragile products, you can create custom profiles. Keep in mind that each product can only belong to one shipping profile at a time. This way, nothing gets duplicated or confusing. Within a profile, you can set specific shipping zones, rates, and fulfillment options just for the products inside that profile. Now, before setting things up, let's clear up two terms that often confuse beginners: fulfillment and Shopify markets. Fulfillment is simply where your products are shipped from. This could be your store, warehouse, or a third-party company that ships orders for you. Shopify markets is where you decide which countries or regions you sell to. If a country isn't part of an active market, customers there won't be able to check out. Also, shipping zones only work for countries inside an active market. So if you try to set up a shipping zone for France, but France isn't added as a market, it simply won't appear as an option. That's why your first step is to open the Shopify Markets menu and activate the countries or regions where you want to sell. Alright, let's set up a shipping profile. Go to your Shopify admin, click on Settings, and then choose Shipping and Delivery. Here you'll find your general shipping profile. You can edit this profile or click Create a custom profile to set up a new one. Start by giving your profile a name, something like heavy items or fragile products. Then add the products you want in it. Once you assign products to a custom profile, Shopify automatically removes them from the general profile or any other profile they were in, because each product can only belong to one shipping profile at a time. Next, set up your fulfillment locations. This is where you assign shipping zones and rates for each zone. Shopify will automatically display the locations you've already added under your location settings, such as warehouses, retail stores, and any other place you ship from. Just remember, if a location isn't set up for online fulfillment, it won't show up here, since it can't ship products. When it comes to fulfillment locations, you've got two options. Put all your locations in one group so they use the same shipping zones and rates, or split them into separate groups so each one can have its own zones and rates. Let's look at an example with 4 locations. We'll group location A and location B together. Keep location C in its own group, and remove location D from the profile so it won't ship these products anymore. Location C is different. It needs its own rules. It might use a different carrier or fall under a different shipping zone. To set that up, click the Edit button next to location C and choose Create New Rates. Now you'll need to build this group by adding shipping zones and rates. Start by giving the zone a name, like Domestic or Europe. Then, search for and select the countries or regions you want to include. Next, add shipping rates. These are what your customers will actually see at checkout. You've got 3 main options: free shipping, flat rate or fixed rate, conditional rates based on order weight or order price. Every shipping zone needs at least one rate. Otherwise, customers in that region won't see any options at checkout. You can add multiple rates, like a standard rate and a faster express delivery rate. For the rate type, you can pick either a flat rate or a carrier app calculated rate. The carrier option shows real-time shipping cost pulled directly from the carrier, but you'll need to connect a carrier to your store first. We'll cover that in another tutorial, so make sure you're subscribed to the Wow Apps YouTube channel. For now, let's stick with the flat rate. Give it a name, like standard shipping. Add description if you want, set the price to $10, and finally hit Done. And that's it. Location C is all set up in its own group now. Now for location D, this one no longer ships products in this profile. To remove it, click the edit icon next to the location. Choose remove rates and then hit done. After that, you'll see location D move down into the section called not shipping from this location. And don't worry, if you ever want to start shipping from it again, you can easily add it back. You can add as many shipping zones and rates as you want for each group. To add more shipping zones for any fulfillment group, just click Add Shipping Zone. Give it a name, and then search and select the regions, same as we did earlier. To add shipping rates for any zone, click Add Rate and in the pop-up, pick your rate type, just like we did for location C. Let's add a conditional rate. For example, if the order total is $100 or more, we'll offer free shipping. To do that, click Add Conditional Pricing. Choose Based on Order Price and enter 100 as the minimum order value. Then name the rate Free Shipping and set the price to $0. Check the preview and hit Done. Once everything's set up, just click Save to update your shipping profile. From now on, all the products in that profile will follow the shipping rules you just set up. Now, you might be wondering what happens if a customer orders products from different shipping profiles. Well, that's a separate topic. We'll cover the Shopify supports and what it doesn't in another video, so make sure to stick around for that. But for now, here's the quick version. Shopify combines the shipping rates from each profile, which can sometimes make shipping look more expensive. And if items are coming from multiple fulfillment locations, customers might see separate shipping charges depending on your setup. So you don't get a ton of flexibility here, just the basic controls Shopify gives you. Always remember to test your setup by placing a few test orders from different countries. That way, you'll know for sure your shipping rules are working the way you expect. And that's it. With shipping profiles, you're in full control of how shipping works in your store. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments. Happy selling!